All right, guys, it's day 2. And day 2 means, I rolled up, so I left last night because I had to go and edit some stuff for another side gig. And I came back this morning, it's, what is it? It's 5 p.m. Yeah, it's evening. And yeah, the motor's out. So Jared's absolutely moving. And, you want to show the world what was going to fuck up? That I fucked up. So putting this on, I didn't grease.
So that's rust.
This guy.
So this thing was seized, couldn't move, aka couldn't adjust hydraulically. So we all know that would have been
over time. It would have. It wouldn't have given any slack for the belt to. So it would have jumped timing.
Yeah, eventually.
But yeah, okay. So yeah, that's one of the things. It didn't happen yet. It was going to, so if it wasn't for me not putting oil in it, then... So we were just talking about how this is the last living remnants of Top Speed Motorsports that will live on. It will make itself to this. It will make it on every motor.
We'll make sure
But yeah, if you guys haven't known, Sissio Performance was Top Speed before Nathan bought it.
Yeah.
All right, so the head's pulled, and good news is it looks great. Yeah, not fucked. Hopefully we can reuse this block. I'd like to reuse this block.
Dude, oh my god, that's bad.
I know, dude. It's still so nice. I'd really like to reuse this block.
Dude, looks fucking...
Cross-hatching looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that looks still... I want to use this thing forever, please. But yeah, head's good. So we can celebrate, party, yeah, we're good. This is hype. When two motors ago now? Yeah, I water jetted the head here, and Rick pulled off some material and made sure that she's all set. That's why I run a 1.5 Tomei head gasket to make up for the space. But this motor is a non-VVTi or a GE, so it should be higher compression. So maybe it'll make a little more power.
Better.
Yeah.
Better make 600.
Yeah, I want to make 600. Please. Let's just make 600. You can do this all.
Let's sit on 24, man.
Yeah, please. Come on. All right. Let's get to it. Big crew oil. I guess happy. I don't know. Oh boy. Man, I just looking in here, like, dude, it's just so clean. I missed this thing. Just putting it together. It was such a pretty motor. But yeah, I mean, everything looks within order. Well, within order over here. Shoot. Drum roll, please. All right, flash it on. Come on. Holy shit. Holy shit tits. That is wild.
Yeah, that was no oil.
Oh my god. That's no oil?
That's just eating itself.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That is a lot.
Yeah, just grinding itself away, man.
Wow.
It's probably all bearing. Yeah, see how it's all brass? It's all bearing. So, so just starting.
So confirmed I'm an asshole. It's okay.
Look what you
we all knew I was
block.
an asshole.
Apologize.
Yeah, I
It was so pretty.
It was. My wallet apologizes. Everybody apologize. I apologize. Trust me, I apologize, okay? I apologize, everybody. I'm the asshole.
As long as you know.
Yeah. Jared just made a good point. At least this doesn't make 2J's look bad. I'm genuinely happy that this was my fault and not a 2J fault, because then it's not... Then the motor that I've been preaching my whole life, it's not its issue. It's just me being an ass. This is asshole activities. But hey, that's all right. Listen, like, I was pushed to the edge. It's shot for Super Street. Whatever.
You want to feel this?
Oh no. Yeah. Is it that bad? Oh my god. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl. I'm so sorry. Oh, all right. To make it right to this motor, we're gonna have to build it. It's gonna have to relive in something. It has to. I promise to the world at this very moment. This motor will relive in either this car or something else. Gotta get it. All right, I'm ready. Oh my God.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is lack of oil.
Yeah, that's...
Pressure. So, yeah. Just know what happened.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Yep.
Damn it. But dude, I think the mains hopefully are good.
Yeah,
I would. They're good. This block's perfect. So
we can do that. We can do that.
But dude, honestly, oh man, the crank one. If that's one of the worst ones, that is absolutely polishable. So dude, this crank's fucking good too. This isn't that bad.
So should
like, honestly, in a pinch, we could have thrown rod bearings in it and sent it, like, if you had to. So block. As long as no one is worse than this, because I don't think it actually spun. I mean, that's bad, as you can see the copper down in there, but it didn't hurt the crank.
Huh.
So.
Well, if that's the case.
That's too dizzy stuff right there.
Yeah, seriously. So if it didn't,
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of what chassis I can build.
Don't worry, we'll find something around here.
Okay, all right.
That's good.
That's pretty cool.
All right, cool.
Just talking about it now, it's straight up just impressive and amazing, and just another testament to this motor, how long it lasted with no oil in it. All right, that's what I should change. That's what I should change the name of this video to. How long will a 2J last with 2 quarts of oil in it? Last and hopefully be able to come back and relive. Maybe I shut it off at the right time. Maybe I did the right thing. It's all right. It's fine. I'm happy. All right, I gotta get to work. All right, pans off. Been working on that, going over here. So, playing with it. We know that the bearing's kind of fucked on the backside.
It's probably hard on video, but there's a little discoloration, and this is how a decent bearing should move, and not have it play this way, but it has this way. This one, none this way, but move that way.
Yeah.
That means bearing go.
Info tech with Jared. Yeah, which makes sense. This is what gets oil last, so this is the first one to get fucked. So, pulling the front and the back right now.
It's gonna be ugly. So you can see it spun in the cap.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the crank. There ain't nothing there.
Oh, so everything that was in that in the pan was once.
Most of it was from that. But then this one should look a lot better.
Yeah, there's actually one there.
You can see trash went through it, but it still even has a coating on it.
Yeah.
So that's how you can tell that obviously this oil's from the front and the back. So that's what you heard when
So that's what made the noise.
Yeah. That didn't keep it in there, but so yeah.
Oh yeah.
So obviously you can see all the material. This one might be a little better, probably about the same as the other one. Is this one already took it? No, that's one I took it.
Yeah.
That's probably
so it's just this one and this one that are left.
So better.
Oh yeah, still had some
but
material.
You can see where the trash was just. Yeah. That's probably what took that one out so bad, being up in the front. But
yeah, that makes sense.
So
how does the crank feel?
I mean,
do you think it's
kind of fucked.
Unpolishable?
Yeah. Yeah, see how it like.
So actually, new crank.
It actually took material away. Like it's like a machine set.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. So okay, new crank.
Oh, we're gonna make a lamp or something.
But okay, well, crank lamp for sure. But if the mains are good, do you think the mains are still good? If it's that, we'll see. We'll see. All right, crank lamp. Crank lamp. Yeah, like a cool little hip necklace. So this is main bearing,
this is the
main
last
cap
one,
off of the last one, which is where all the carnage happened. So, whoop. Yeah, she was.
The cap looks fine and everything, but look how close you were to just spinning that and probably destroying the freaking.
Yeah, that would have been the block.
Journal. So
yeah,
so
that would have been.
Block's good, but
so block's
barely.
good. We need a new crank, and she's running. So. I'll start looking at HKS cranks.
HKS.
They have like a 3.2.
Just get a BC crank, a lightweight.
Yeah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't want to spend $8,000 on a crank for me. I would love an HKS crank, but hey, HKS, Kato, I know you're watching this, my guy. He's our rep at Sisio. Come on, hook it up. We've got studs that are gooder than the whole rest of it. Okay, so head gasket's on. We have realized that is the exact same head gasket that came off of this setup, which this is a 8.5 to 1 compression ratio motor, and this is a more. We think it might bump it a point to maybe 9.5 to 1. So
or 10. I mean, it could be.
Or 10. It could. Well, and you know what? The head's been pulled back a lot, and dude. So if this thing ends up at like 10, like 9.5, 10 to 1 compression, we're thinking. I just want to hit that 600 again because this made 581 wheel, and I was kind of bummed by that. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit bummed by that. So if I can make 600 off of this, blessing in disguise. / Jared thinks it might make even more. Hell, like if this made 650, I'd be a fucking happy as a clam, I guess people say, right? That's a thing. But yeah, so this is going back together. I'm gonna get the head on and let Jared get his jam on, and I'm gonna go get ready for work, and then we're gonna come back, and hopefully, Jared will update us, see where we're at. I'll come by tomorrow, whatever is going on, and then that will end up being a motor for something else in the future. We'll see, maybe a forward performance Henry freaking collab. Yeah, it'll be great. All right, let's do it. All right, heads on. V2. This is V. So V1 counted as the motor that came in the car. V2 was I did buy a motor in between that I never put in it. That doesn't really count, but yeah, it doesn't count. So V1 first motor that came in it. V2 was the one that went in it and stayed in it for about 2 days. Then it blew up. V3 was the one that Tanner Faust drove it on against Ensoider or not, and that was a full 1J setup. That ended when we were on the dyno until like 1 a.m. we put a new turbo on it, this turbo on it, and that's when we water jet the head. We were on until like 2 a.m. It was like a weird night. We were like 350 horsepower. I was doing the weirdest thing ever. And then the next day I drove it, and then it started missing, and then did a compression test, and it was like 25 psi. So that was the version 3, and that made it, honestly, that was a really impressive journey. That made it that was a lot of miles, and they were not nice miles, any of it. Like back and forth trips from Buffalo, New York to Long Island is 8 hours, probably 4-5 times every year, and then back and forth between Oswego to Buffalo, which is 2 hours. That motor took a beating. That one didn't owe me anything. V4 was this motor right here. And that was the 1.5 setup. That was supposed to be the God end-all be-all motor. And I ended it. Not it was the end-all be-all motor. I ended it. It's my fault. Yeah. And then this is V5.
Hey, 5's my favorite number.
Yeah, okay, 5. Yeah, that's perfect. Jared's in on 5. And then V6 may go in this car again or may go in something else. We'll see. But for now, I'm going to be, if this makes 600, 650, I'm going to be stoked with this car. I don't feel like I could track it here. We could do some road race stuff and still be able to do some road race stuff and still be able to do some roll racing. But yeah, all right, let's get it. Let's get jamming.